All right, we're 1 minute in and we've got some folks here. So, welcome to our webinar. I am Tanner Knight and I am joined this time by Philip Lewis. Hey, Philip.
Hey.
We'll do more introductions here in a second, but before we do that, I like to first take a look ahead. Right now, this is on our website, converge.design, upcoming webinars. This is our today's webinar is showing today. You still, I guess, technically have time to register if you want, but looking ahead, in September, we have another 3D experience oriented webinar where we're actually going to just dissect the 3D experience platform at large. We're not going to just focus on the AI tools. We'll talk more about kind of the more mature tools that exist in the 3D experience platform. That will be September 16th. Then in October, we talk about AI and Epigrid, which is really more data security and potential private hosting discussion there. Have yet to fine tune that content, but we're looking forward to that one. And then in November, we have a discussion with OpenBOM, which is a really great platform for getting your CAD data out of your PDM vault and into maybe an ERP system or MRP system. And then finally, in December, we talk about SOLIDWORKS 2027 and kind of the new version and setting your roadmap. So look ahead for that. Sign up for those webinars well in advance if you'd like, and we hope to see you on all of them. However, today we are focusing on SOLIDWORKS AI